Hi, my name is Joshua Wong and you're now watching NIGHTM Mobiles. As you can read from the titles, I'll be doing a review of the new Vivo V17. I've been using this device for almost 3 weeks now and I would like to share my reviews and thoughts through these videos. Let's begin with the unboxing. This is the box of the Vivo V17. It is the 8GB and 256GB storage variants. On the box it mentioned 48MP quad cameras, ultra old screen, 32MP front cameras and super night mode. Let's open it up. First you'll be greeted with the Vivo V17 logo box. Inside the box is a TPU case, SIM ejectors and some documentation. There's a USB Type-C cables, 80W Vivo chargers, 3.5mm earphone. Let's check out the device. At the bottom is the speakers, USB port, microphone and a 3.5mm audio port. On the top is the second mic for noise cancelling. On the left is the volume rockers and power buttons. Lastly, the right side is the SIM slot. It features triple SIM slot with dedicated micro SD card slot. I believe you'll be asking me, is this a cheaper version of the Vivo V17 Pro? The answer is no. Matter of fact, the V17 is more expensive than the V17 Pro. The V17 has all the hardware they found on the V17 Pro, such as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 and 8GB of RAM, 6.44-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with an optical in-display fingerprint scanners. On the back, it equipped with quad rear camera setup consists of a 48MP main cameras, and 8MP ultra wide, 2MP depth sensors and also a dedicated 2MP macro lens. Here are some photos taken with the Vivo V17. The main difference between the V17s and the V17 Pros firstly are the selfie cameras. The V17 Pro features dual pop-up selfie cameras, whereas the V17s only have a notch, a hole punch notch on the display, or they call it O screen. It houses a 32MP camera sensor. On top of that, the storage size of the V17 is doubled up to 256GB and the battery size of the V17 is slightly bigger at 4500 versus 4100 that found on the V17 Pro. The V17 Pro is one capable mid-range smartphone. It has a generous 8GB of RAM, the performance is very smooth and the cameras is very good. Here are some benchmark test results that I run on the Vivo V17. So which one would I recommend, the V17s or the V17 Pro? Personally, I would suggest the V17 Pro over the V17s because the V17 Pro has a lower price point. Secondly, it features more futuristic features like the pop-up selfie cameras, and it features two cameras. One is the standard wide and the other one is the ultra wide. Thirdly, the storage size can be compensated with the price difference by getting a micro SD card since it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. The V17 is for those people who prefer something more simple and those who are still skeptical with moving parts on their smartphone. So what do you think about the Vivo V17? Do leave your comment down below. Do give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. Do consider subscribe to the channel, follow us on social. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. My name is Joshua Wong, signing off.